Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ines. So today I had the chance to partner with Picsart, which is my favorite editing app on my telephone to edit pictures for Instagram or pictures for the thumbnail. And I wanted to share this with you. So when you get on the first page of the editing, you will see the photos, the backgrounds, the collage, and all of those good stuff. So Picsart is very versatile. There's so many things that you will find in here. I haven't even finished looking for everything, but for now let me show you how I edit my pictures. So first of all, you will choose the picture that you want. Then you will go on the bottom of the application and see all the signs that you need. For this one, I will take the crop and I will do the crop on my own. You can choose the head over here that you see to make it automatically crop for you. After you're finished with the cropping, and I will suggest you to take the auto cropping, you'll be ready to finally save your sticker, and it will automatically save for you in the sticker or in your photos. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose the style that I want to make my thumbnail with, so I wanted to put about 3 pictures in that thumbnail. So there was so many designs, but I took this one. And as soon as you choose your layout, you will go down and scroll and see if you want the Insta square or the YouTube square or anything like that. In that case, I took the YouTube square. Then you'll have the chance to go on borders and fix the borders the way you want. Then you'll go on the colors if you want the colors on the borders, but on this one I choose no borders. After I save the picture that I want and the borders that I want, you will go down again and choose the sticker button. And this is my favorite part about Picsart. They literally have every sticker you can ever imagine. This is amazing. You can have so much creativity. And here I'm taking my picture that I put into a sticker and I'm trying to find the right spot for it too. And now that I'm satisfied with the placement of my picture, I can go ahead and blend the picture the way I want, or I can put any effect that I want so it will blend in my picture, or if I'm doing more of a picture, or if I want it to be drawn or anything. But at the end I went with the natural color. And here I'll be going back inside the sticker zone and choose what I want. So I wanted to see if the emoji could be a good thing for this thumbnail. So I was with the emoji face trying to look for the perfect emoji, and I was like, okay, this one sounds good, but at the end I was like, no, that's too much. There's too much head. I don't feel like this is gonna work. So I went back inside the emoji place to try to find something that maybe gonna suit the thing that I'm trying to do. So you can be very creative. Then I went ahead and searched some hearts, and I click on the hearts. Then you can scroll down. You'll have so many choices, and at the end I found this one that looks like it was going to be perfect for what I was looking for. And then again, you can play with the texture of the hearts. You can play with the color, you can blend it, you can do whatever you want. Especially that's why I like the most about Picsart, is that you can definitely design whatever you want for your picture, for Instagram or for your thumbnail. Yeah, that's a pretty amazing application, and that's my favorite one. That's the one that I use all the time now, and I don't need anything else. By the way, there's gonna be a link down in the description box for you to go and download the Picsart app, and you can now make amazing thumbnail or amazing Instagram photos that everybody will be surprised to see how good it looks. In the end, I choose to leave the heart emojis like that. Then I went back down again and see the border, the mask, the drawing I can do, and choose the lens flare. And this is all the choices that you have. On Picsart you have so many choices, like your creativity will be boosted. That's what I love the most about it, that you can create anything you want. And here I was trying to put the flare, but at the end I was like, okay, I think that's too much, I don't need that. Then I went back down again and choose the brushes. So you can have all type of brushes, you can have glitter, hearts, whatever you can imagine. Picsart have it all figured out for you. This is, like, I swear this is my favorite app, and you need to get this if you are trying to go on YouTube or be professional on Instagram, I think. So yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to Picsart for sponsoring this video and helping me share this amazing thing with you guys. If you ever try Picsart, please let me know down below how it works for you. And yeah, that's it. I hope you learned some few things today, and I'll see you guys on my next video, which can be a vlog or anything like that. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.